I have the 5 best deals of the week, from electric toothbrushes to streaming systems, something for your TV, and pearls at prices you won't believe. They are all coming up right here. Oh! Open up for savings. That was really awkward, and I'm not sure you needed to see that. But great to be with you. I'm the deal guy, Matt Granite, the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite, and I unbox and find the best deals in the country. And a lot of them all powered by the wonderful subscribers watching. You guys are amazing. You leave me comments, and from there I know what to hunt down, including electric toothbrushes, which we'll get to in a moment. But I did want to revisit, just tied to all of the excitement in terms of streaming and cord cutting. I'm going to do a full follow-up video on how to use the HK1 Live Box. It was something I featured at the end of last year. People went crazy for it. So I'm going to do just a brief mention of what this deal is right here, in addition to 4 of the other hot deals this weekend. Keep in mind, if you are subscribed, I'll give you a full demonstration of how to set this up, what you need to know. Before we get to that, you can find all of the deals that I'm featuring by expanding that video description box right under me. Now, if you are looking to cut the cord, there's a lot of momentum tied to the HK1 box. And of course, I've done the Apple TV, the Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick 4K, the A box, the Apple TV. I've tested them all. I've done cord cutting antennas, but there's one deal that I want to flag right now where you can unlock a lot of good free content using this device responsibly and legally. This is my pick. Let's start out first with the HK1 Android Box, when, if used with all of the legal apps provided, you can watch movies and TV shows through services like Crackle. Sony will actually bring you free movies and TV shows, some of which are ad-supported, some of which are not, on the HK1 box, in addition to all of your Netflix, Prime Video, and Google Play apps. But this is also an aggregator, so you can watch programming from this TV station, live sports where applicable, and incredible 4K quality. At under 60 bucks, you can find that deal by expanding the video description box. Keep in mind, there are other so-called HK1 Live Box deals on Amazon and other websites. Those are for boxes that are actually knocked off, and they are not the authorized deals. If you're finding a price under what I found, it is not a legit box, and it could be shut down remotely. Okay, that was fun. Next deal that I think I want to feature before the toothbrush, pearls. Huge. Great savings in time for Valentine's Day 2019. The deal that I found today can essentially get you almost $700 worth of pearls for under 70 bucks. Let's start with the Terra Mesa 27-inch pearl layered necklace. Stunning, gorgeous, a #1 seller on the Today Show, the Shopping Channel, QVC. Beautiful freshwater layered pearls. These on their own are worth at least $400. And then the set that I found throws in the Terra Mesa Heart freshwater pearl drop bead earrings. 200 bucks on their own if you were to buy them. These are hand-selected creamy gems where you get the size, the color, and the symmetry to create a really spectacular design. Now, this deal has me very excited because obviously I don't bring a lock to the table, but my teeth, I've never had a cavity going into my 34th year of being alive. I don't attribute, and my teeth are white, and I drink so much iced tea and bubble tea, and again, if you ever have smoked or you enjoy red wine or whatever it is, the teeth whitening kits, there are some, I will have deals on them, but something about a better toothbrush that can actually take care of your gums, prevent oral cancer, and in some cases, with the deal that I found today, give you battery life of up to 6 months, you're way ahead of the game. It's the #1 rated electric toothbrush in the country right now with new stain removal technology. You get a deep clean, it gently whitens your teeth, it pulsates through your gums. You get a tooth coach, which uses smart technology to make sure all of your teeth are treated perfectly. And the battery lasts up to 3 months on just one single charge, or 6 months for $10 more on the upgraded model. It's ultra quiet. It's fully waterproof. You could keep it underwater forever. And that deal for under 70 bucks or under 80, depending on which system you choose, dentist approved, right under this video screen. My next favorite deal this week as we count down the top 5 is an entire Italian cookware set, where you're not only cutting your cost by 50%, but this is one of my favorite chef-approved deals and a great way to upgrade your kitchen, essentially.
Well, we've been really putting these through the paces today in the kitchen, trying out different dishes, everything from eggs to sauteing vegetable, boiling water for pasta, or making a quick rice dish. You need different size pans, but you need them to get the job done, be able to clean up quickly and efficiently in between jobs. These seem to really get the job done right across the board. I have to say, Matt, a win with this one. Really a win. I like it a lot. It's a real hit, and I think that I'm going to have to give this one to my wife because she's standing in the background saying, mine. So, I'm sorry, you're going to lose this one, but I really love it.
5-year warranty, made in Italy, PFOA free, nickel free, and so energy efficient when it comes to heat. You know where to find that deal. And again, the free delivery on this. This is a heavy box. Just to, get that. I'm fine. Did you hear that crack? Just so you can get that delivered to your house with the free delivery is an amazing, amazing deal. Okay, next on my list of the top 5 deals, and I keep looking down not to avert eye contact. I have a computer screen here, and I'm just trying to profile items that are still in stock. Keep in mind the prices can change in an instant. But backpacks. Backpacks. A lot of you just looking for a great backpack, perhaps under 30 bucks. Let me show you my pick. If your briefcase is cumbersome, an ideal replacement right now, if you are on the go, are the backpack deals that I've just hunted down at under 30 bucks. They take care of your back, they're weight supported, they have compartments for all of your tech, and I'm telling you, if you are looking for an upgrade, or a student, or you're looking to just make sure your valuables are protected with in-case pockets and other ways to protect your products. So there you have it, the 5 best, this would be 10, so 5 best, I'm an idiot, aren't I? 5, I know there's gonna be so many comments about that. 5 best deals of the week. Just expand that video description box. There you are, there you have it. I would like to thank you for watching. I know there's a variety of items here. I know some of you would like to see just tech, some of you want to see more smart home stuff, some of you just want to see cord cutting all the time, and some of you don't watch any of the lifestyle videos I do, and I have this really amazing way to cut your laundry costs or your energy costs. I'm trying to cater to everyone as effectively as possible. Hopefully these top 5 formats are somewhat helpful because everyone gets a little bit of what they want. That's kind of my hope. But if you have other deals or things that you want me to focus on as an entire video, which I will do for this HK1 box, just leave me a comment and subscribe and turn your notifications on. You can do that right now by doing this. Clicking on my oversized head right here. And by the way, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Turning on your notification help is up there. And if you want to see the last big roundup of deals I did, they're over here.